Hello friends, just wanted to make this video and show you guys a couple mini bikes we've been working on and riding around. Gonna make a couple more videos about these too, so I just wanted to get a quick look at them for you. We built these pretty fast and down and dirty, and just to ride and have fun on, and that's what we've been doing. There are a couple early 70s QA50s, and they're definitely not stock, as you can tell. Actually threw a couple 79cc Harbor Freight Predator motors on them, and they've been working out pretty good. I'll do another video on why and how I did that, but this is just kind of like an overview, just to take a look at them. They do have lights on them. I got it set up so I can use Ryobi 18-volt batteries for the lights, which is pretty cool. They're pretty much identical, you know. The engines both got torque converters, which helped a lot. I tried doing the centrifugal clutches, and those did not work well at all. As you can see, this one has bigger tires than this one, and that's because I tried to replace the tires on this one and I broke the rim, and I tried to find a replacement rim and I couldn't be found, so I had to use some Z50 tires and rims, which fit on there perfectly. They're just a little bit bigger. They're both super fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna do each bike, I'm gonna do a video on and go through everything I've done to it, each individual one. So that's it. See you on the next one.